Okay, good evening, everybody. This was actually a topic for, the virtual reality meeting app and the software platform. Like what we do now is we're using Zoom, right? Zoom actually is just to look at the people, okay? But in some context, look at the people as well as using PowerPoint was not a very optimum collaboration. So that's why some of the business were actually education. Okay, they were going for something that better. Okay, the next better one was actually VR, virtual reality. So actually, there's a lot of development on these VR meeting platforms. Okay, even Facebook also coming up their own. A lot of companies actually have went into this the VR meeting platform itself. Okay, the VR platforms. Okay, you can see actually the people is there, and then there's a whiteboard, and then they have some kind of avatar, okay, on the platform, and then they can speak to these people, and then with their hand sign, and then they actually can draw on the whiteboard. So with this, the human present collaboration tools, so you were able to meet successfully. Okay, so this was actually the next wave of online meeting. Okay, the first apps that I will cover was this Spectra VR meeting app. Okay, Spectra VR meeting app work in both VR and AR, virtual reality and augmented reality format, and is on many devices from Oculus Quest to Microsoft HoloLens to your cell phone or your PC. So according to this Spectra website, okay, you see you can establish, accomplish everything, anything, but you need the right tools and we need each other. So most tools doesn't design for how, okay, we virtually think. And your co-workers will spread all over the world. And then this Spectra break the thought for this limitation, again, transform the work from how is it to how it should be. In the progress, the team grow closer, think bigger, and accomplish think faster. So this will able to push the world forward. So you need to spend more time thinking and less time traveling. So you can execute the next big idea. But you need more space to think than your laptop, phone, screen can provide. So in this program, you can create a lifelike avatar based on your likeness, okay, your selfie, and then you can collaborate with uh, other people via this avatar in the simulated environment. It's a truly groundbreaking VR conference innovations, and certainly it's one of the major steps ahead of the future VR team meeting. So I can see these these people all are there, and then they have uh, meet each other. Okay, they can actually for those people who do not have VR gear headset, okay, they can actually using, because as you see, look at the screen, okay, they can use something back to something like Zoom, okay, as a video there. Okay, so with this, you can actually have a virtual meeting. Okay, next app will be the meeting in VR meeting, meet in VR meeting app. So this apps, I mean, okay, is 4 years old already. Okay. So according to the website, there's no doubt in mind that this VR will be the primary way people will work and connect in the future. So when removing the limitation imposed by the real world, the possibility that what can be accomplished through VR collaboration is simply unlimited. So this VR is meeting VR, meet in VR is a terrific choice of this Aqua Quest. Aqua Quest is actually a handset, headset as well, the VR headset. Next is this Groove VR meeting app. Groove is currently one of the favorite platform for VR meeting. According to the website, this Groove is a modern collaboration platform that take advantage of a recent advance in immersive 3D graphic, okay, virtual reality and cloud computing. Is intended for business professional who need global remote access to the shared team space for efficient collaboration. Okay, your team may be spread around the world, but in a group immersive virtual environment, you can come together as in meet in a person. This 3D avatar reflects the movement and pressure of the user, okay, providing a non-verbal communication in addition to voice. Well, spatial audio, okay, give you the natural understanding of where they are around you. Your toolkit include a post-it note, whiteboard, and freehand 3D drawing, enable user to express and share their idea in session with ease. Okay, when the meeting is over, come back later if you wish. Your material remain just as you left them for as long as your team need them. You can also export your stuff out to group through your web user interface in various supporting file format. It can be used on Okra HTC VR headset as well as on a PC with good pair of headphone and a microphone. So not necessarily you will need the headset. And next is Frame VR meeting app. This Frame VR meeting app is according to the Frame VR site. Say you can take the team through a created exploration of the virtual reality in the Frame lab. As your mind collectively grow, we help you to explore how your organization can use this new tool set to do the same for your business. FilmVR have a wide assortment of offering related to VR meeting. This includes the VR consulting and strategy, where company can learn to understand VR and apply it to their business. Okay, training and education to simulate a deeper engagement. Immersive content production, utilize custom built 3D model to create and harness the power of virtual reality and 360-degree of video. Next is Engross VR meeting app. This app is for education and corporate training platform in virtual reality, and is empowered the educator and the company to host meeting, presentation, classes, and event with people across the world. So using this platform, virtual reality training and experience can be created in minutes. The tools are very easy to use and require no technical expertise. So you can choose to host your virtual reality session live or recorded and save them for others to experience later. A wide variety of effective immersive virtual experience can be created with extensive library of virtual object, okay, effect and virtual location available on the platform. So this Engage platform can be used on Windows 10 PC, on most of cloud or HTC VR headset, okay, among others. Okay, this REMI, okay, bring efficiency to educations and training and re-engage people in immersive and social environment that leverage our natural human desire for socializations and achievement. So reducing the leader-learner paradigm to the average of 8 meaningful hours of intentional interaction. So this image that entire complex concept taught in the average 8 hours. So our goal is to equip leader with the tools that need for the next reality of educations and training. So via this use of avatar customization tools, user can capture their personality, exercise their sense and of individuality, and create their true self. To remedy high quality realistic environment, user and are able to focus on the collaborations and learning rather than the distractions or low quality foreign environment. So it says share the asset logics, make it faster for the team to share and cooperate on image, video, 3D object, etc. instead of wasting time searching through files. Okay, next is this big screen VR meeting apps. So this big screen VR is like an operating system for VR. It has many applications and use case ranging from productivity and chat to gaming and movie watching. Is it found in 2014? This screen is a California-based startup creating an immersive virtual reality telepresent platforms that aim to revolutionize the way people work, okay, play, hang out, and collaborate. Use case of a big screen include both entertainment and productivity, and it used as a virtual living room to watch movie, play video game, browse the web, and hang out with friends. Also used for productivity as tools for remote team to cooperate together in a virtual office. Since the beta launch in March 2016, this screen have come one of the most popular and higher rate VR app on the Oculus store and have an incredible 93% positive rating on stream. Power users spend 20-30 hours per week in big screen, making it one of the most widely used killer app in the industry. So they also building a content company for gaming company. It's not only build the metaverse and our say the goals is to not to build a social network. Instead, they aim to build useful tools that enable user to use existing contents, apps, and games in VR and to socialize and hang out in a shared VR space with their friends and co-worker. This screen is pushing a specific question. How will VR and AR headset change the way we use our computer? Okay, so we cover most of the apps. I mean, now we go for the headset. Okay, this VR headset, they have a wide range of these both AR and VR. AR is augmented reality and VR virtual reality. So they from Okra, okay, which is one of the company, then HTC, Samsung, Microsoft. Now even Apple will have also. Okay, not to mention this Google also have. So your headset arrive with this VR experience that you are interested in, I mean, to pre-install and use. So these are the some of the company, okay, producing the VR headset. Okay, like ASUS, Oppo, ZTE, Vivo. Okay, Pico, Panasonic. Okay, these are the all the, I mean, available on the market right now. You'll be maybe familiar with this one. Okay, this was the the Google cardboard VR. Okay, turn your phone into a VR headset. Okay, so in VR headset, they have the headset alone. Then after that, they have the controller. Okay, some is like this, and some will be like this. Okay, you look at the people. I mean, in action, they wear the headset, and then they have a controller. So as you can see from inside, just now inside the software, the controller can control their hand. Okay, so the person will actually control their hand to do movement. Okay, maybe grab a pen to draw on the whiteboard or something. So it's all used by this controller. Okay, and you can see the this is actually the one of the latest Google VR. Okay, so this was actually your phone, and then you put inside this VR headset, and then you can watch. And so they have different models. Okay, and it range from maybe less than $100 to $200-300. So it depends on, I mean, your budget. Okay, you can look at these people. Okay, they have a VR headset, and then they have use a headset to listen for the those voice. Okay, and then this will actually the controller. Controller will control the hands and all the movement. So this is what you see inside. Okay, so there are two screens. The two screen is slightly different. So this different will make you seeing virtual reality. VR meaning that is fully covered. Okay, so you can see this controller. This controller is like a glove. Okay, they put on, and then this it will sense your finger movement, so that you can actually more precise to grab marker to draw on the whiteboard or something like this. Okay, AR is not fully covered. It's actually able to see outside. Okay, you can see outside, but the outside will actually superimpose an image onto a live object outside. Okay, so it's a site called augmented reality. So this live object able to provide some information, and then for you to interact. Okay, so this was actually some setting, and then you can see when you buy VR headset, they will ask you, okay, whether you want 3 DOF or 6 DOF. So what is all this? Okay, 3 DOF versus 6 DOF. The DOF is actually stand for degree of freedoms. Okay, so this is actually in terms of the motion axle. So your head can move, okay, left and right, up and down is only 3 degrees of freedom. Okay, but if you would not only move up, left and right, up and down, but okay, forward, backward, and downward, okay, then is 6 degrees of freedom. Most of the the headset okay, is actually the cheapest one is only 3 DOF. Okay, 6 DOF is more expensive. Okay, because they are using more expensive sensor. Okay, the sensor that used in 3DOF is only accelerator, the accelerator sensor. Okay, but 6 DOF they actually have to use IMU. So that's why it's more expensive. Okay, this IMU is called inertial measurement unit. So with this, you can actually measure 6 degrees of freedom. So I have finished my slide presentation. Anyone got any clarification?